अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं अ वेरी टेस्टी चिकन करी, मेथी चिकन। ये रोटी के साथ, नान्स के साथ या फिर घी राइस, स्टीम्ड राइस के साथ भी बहुत अच्छे से चलता है। सो ज़रूर ट्राई करिए। चलो शुरू करते हैं। टेक अ वाइड हेवी बॉटम्ड पैन. Add a ladle of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 3 each of cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Also add a few peppercorns. Saute for a few seconds and then add 3 finely sliced onions. Saute till golden brown. Once the onion is golden brown, add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and 1.5 tablespoons of ginger paste. Saute till the raw smell goes. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chilli powder and continue sauteing. Also add 3 whole green chillies. Don't slit them, just add them whole. Continue sauteing and now add 1.25 kg of chicken. I have cleaned it, washed and drained it completely. Saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. Once the oil starts leaving the sides, add 2 potatoes cut into half-inch roundels. Mix well and add 1 cup of beaten curd. Continue sauteing. Now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi. Rub the kasuri methi between your palms while adding to the gravy. Mix well. Add a few coriander leaves, 1 glass of water. Cover and cook on high flame till it starts boiling. Then reduce the flame to medium and cook till the chicken and the potatoes are done. Let it be there for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, check to see whether the chicken and the potatoes are done. Once cooked, add half a cup of thick coconut milk. Mix well, switch off the flame, cover and let it rest. Methi chicken is now ready. So please do try it out. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Methi chicken goes very well as a festive dish. Goes well with naans, parathas, rotis, ghee rice, steamed rice. So ज़रूर try करिए. Like, share and subscribe and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching.